Hi friends, welcome to Learn Code with Saurabh. Today I am going to show a program to count the palindrome in a list using the Java Stream API. For example, if we will take some input like madam, apple, race car, banana, level. So counting the palindrome number, palindromes, a string or words. So we need to check that it's a palindrome or not. Then we will get that palindromes counting number. So now I am going to create a class. I opened the IntelliJ and created a class here, count palindromes, and giving that program number it's 37. And here we need to create or write the main method. So I just write here, and then we need to take the input from input as a list of a string. So I will use here list, and so I will pass here a string, and I keep as a list as a words. And here I will use arrays as a list. In this list we need to pass the list, so I will just copy here and I will update here. I will pass the as a parameter inside a list to initialize this list, and I am going to import this class. And now we need to count the value, so I will make the one variable to count. So I will use here count, and in this count, so we need to change like a string of lists. So we have like a words dot, so this is the words is the a string list of reference. So I will use here a stream dot so words dot a stream. So here we need to filter that value. So finding that palindromes number, so I will use here filter. In this filter we need to filter the value according to their palindrome. So I will use here word, and we will use here lambda expression. And here I will create that object of that string builder to because a string builder is the mutable class. So I will use here a string builder, and in this builder we need to pass such as in this constructor, a string builder constructor, you can see. And here I'm going to make this object, and in this whenever making the object, so that time we need to pass the here so value. So I will firstly check that. So I will use here like a word, and so word dot reverse. So I will just reverse that word. So I will use here reverse. So word, and in this word I will use here, okay. So here creating the class and word, and then I will use here like word dot reverse. So I will use here reverse, and then we need to convert like a string. So I will convert like a string. So it will change into that string builder to a string class object. So I just use here a string, and I will compare with that equals. So firstly I'm reversing one side and just checking with that equals. So I will use here word, and then after it's matching, so after matching and storing that stream, and then we will count here. So I will use this method as a count to get that value in integer in long. So my program is completed. Now I'm going to print this result. So I will use here system.out.println. So I just write it here as out, and now here I just pass some message. So I will use here number of palindrome. Number of palindrome, not palindrome, is palindrome. And here I will use here not palindrome. So here I will use like a colon, and then I will print the value. So I will print here count, and my program is completed. So you can see here I just I will break here. So words dot stream, and stream dot filter, and then filter dot count. So if you see here, just I'm just reversing and just comparing here, and now I'm going to run this main method. So I just right click here, run. So friend, I got the result like number of palindrome as per that mentioned in that simple output. And if you know that, so madam is that a palindrome, and racer car is a palindrome, and label is a palindrome. So I will post the code in the Git repository, and I will mention the link in the description of this video. Thank you friend for your time and for watching this video. Explore the community tab and participate in Java full stack MCQ question with solution. Join our WhatsApp group and Telegram group for the latest update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.